TVS unveiled its electric scooter concept Creon into 220cc single-cylinder engine bike Zeppelin at the Expo on Wednesday. The company also showcased its ethanol-powered motorcycle, Apache RTR 200 Fi Ethanol, aimed at reducing carbon footprint on the environment. The three concept vehicles are a feedback from the customers over a long period of time, and it will be converted into more such products in future, said TVS Motor Company President and CEO Natrada Krishnan. TVS Creon has a range of 0-60 kmph in under 5.1 seconds, with a rapid charging time of 60 minutes for 80% of charge. It is powered by lithium-ion battery capable of delivering 12 kW of instantaneous power. The Zeppelin, on the other hand, comes with a 220cc engine coupled with integrated starter generator, ISG, and has a 48 volts lithium-ion battery for powerful performance. The ethanol-powered TVS Apache comes with a torque of 18.1 Nm at the rate of 7,000 revolutions per minute and has an ascending top speed of 129 kmph.